How to add keyframes in CapCut PC. Want to animate zooms, fades, or text movement? Let's add keyframes in CapCut PC. So first, go ahead and import your clip and then drag the clip to your timeline. Now to add a keyframe, go ahead and click on the clip on your timeline. And then at the right side, head over to the video tab and then click on basic. And then under this, you'd find this tools. So click on this add keyframe button, which you'd basically find at the right side of transform, and head over into that section where you want to add the zoom in effect. So simply use this scale tool and shift it to the left or to the right, depending on your preference, to be able to add a keyframe in here. And then once we replay the video, it would look like this. So if you want to add another keyframe, you can simply just click on the video and then go ahead and add another keyframe. So once you play that, you'd find all of that transitions applied. So that is how you can basically add keyframes on CapCut PC.